What's up, guys? A very short update on the price of Bitcoin. Well, we had this correction which we kind of anticipated, and you remember I posted the potential short trade on the price somewhere around here, and the take was at $9,500. Actually didn't go to the level which I planned, I hope to, but actually it reached it right now. So still the trade is intact. I will show the details in the end of the video. And currently what I want to point out is that this correction, it wasn't that deep actually. It's still like 23.6% of Fibonacci. We held the previous resistance which now became support. So still Bitcoin, despite it actually went below the rising wedge which we had before, still it shows pretty much the same performance, pretty much the same bullish price action, and yeah, we still have the fuel to go to the new high, maybe $11,000 or maybe even $12,000, but we need to go above the previous high, above $10,500, and then of course hold above this level. And if we'll do that, then we can say in more or less confident manner that yeah, we are continuing the rise to the new high. But so far we actually have a lower high and technically a lower low, which is not that great. Moreover, on a 4 hours time frame, you can see that let's say over here there was a TD sequential red 9 here, so you see we rose after that like by 10%, and here it was another red 9, we rose again around 10% after that, and now we have this green 9, which technically is indicating to the potential drop. Well, it's not that great. Also, you can notice that we actually had such signals before, but on the rising trend, the bearish signals don't play out in that great way, so we might actually ignore it and continue to go higher. And also this candle still have room to grow. Maybe like 2 hours later it will be green, so yeah, who knows. But so far there are some bearish signals for that. Also on a shorter time frame there are already some bearish signs, like you see the indicator are showing lower highs but the price is showing higher high, so this is a bearish divergence. And even in a 4 hours time frame, well, technically you have the lower highs here but kind of a higher high on the indicator, so it's another bearish divergence. This time is hidden one, but still it's kind of dangerous at that point. Also considering the rise which we had, it was in my opinion a bit of speculative rise because of this week and so on. But in any case, I would probably remain more or less like long-term bullish, or maybe mid-term bullish, but we need to go above the previous high. This is my major conclusion. And I would like to show you this trade on SnapX which I plan to do, and I showed you in the last video. So we actually did hit this target of $10,141, and still if we are going above the previous local high, something like $10,350, then I would say that there's a high probability of the continuation of the rise, so that's why there's a stop here. But if not, then the take profit may be the bottom of this range, or maybe I can make it a little lower eventually. But in any case, I think it's a nice trade in terms of the risk to reward ratio and in considering the general stance of the market. Also, if you didn't see the video on the risk management, I will leave the link in the top right corner, so go ahead and watch this video, because if you want to make the same trade or a similar trade, I would say that you'd better to consider this risk management strategies and the way you basically calculate the size of your positions and so on and so forth. That is it, guys. Basically, let's see how the things will happen with this situation. We still hold this kind of an area, and you may even draw this bull flag here, so maybe it will go like 7-8% higher from that point, considering this bull flag. But yeah, it's not exactly strong considering all the other bearish signals. So be careful with your trades, and of course I will keep you updated. Follow on Twitter and Telegram. And yeah, that is it for today. Thank you for watching.